This 5-minute solution will show you how to unlink Instagram account from a Facebook page. It's super easy process to disconnect or unlink a Instagram account from your page. First of all, you have to open Facebook on your computer browser and come to your Facebook page profile. Now click on Professional Dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Linked Accounts. And here select Instagram. And now here you will get your connected Instagram account. Now to disconnect your Instagram account, click on Disconnect Account and click on Yes, Disconnect. And as you can see, I've successfully disconnected my Instagram from my Facebook page. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.